Warm welcome guys to the YouTube channel AJ Noni Vlog. Please do like, subscribe and press the bell button near to it in order to get the latest updates. The link is in description. It is a 100% working site. I will show you the proof in the end of this video, so watch full video. First of all, you have to register. You have to fill your mail ID, then password, and then again type password, then plus register. Here I am logging my old account. You have to go. Then you have to go to the client key, copy it. Then go to Play Store and search for 2 captcha bot. Here I already downloaded it, so I am opening it. Here you have to paste the client key, then press auth. You have to fill the captchas. You have to fill it correctly in order to get the dollars. The best fact about this site is it pay dollars in Bitcoin also. It support another withdrawals also. I like the Bitcoin most because it doesn't charge any transaction fee for that. That's why I like it most. Here you can see the full account balance of your account, and this is the setting session. You can see you can select which captcha you want to solve and press save. Is the payment history. I just recently reserved about $1.18. You can see the date right there. In the payment request session, you can see set wallet. You can choose anyone among them and paste the address of that and change. Press change. It's a good site. It's 100% working site. And now is the time for proof. Let's go to the Bitcoin session and here is my proof. As you can see, it's credited $1.17. It's because Bitcoin's price is always increasing and decreasing, as usually happens, and is paying